All right, all right, all right. It's a quickie Friday, TJIF. Subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Check me out on Twitter at trading_off. There, I fulfilled my obligations. Okay, what are we looking at, man? It was a good day. It was a good day, a very good day. We hit that 38% mark. That's a pretty good retrace. We're having a strong close. We got about 15 minutes left in the market. I'm thinking we're going to close around here. We're kind of set up for a bear flag. Um, you can see that we're kind of swinging. The momentum's kind of on an up move, although the histogram is fading a wee bit. So we're set up for a bear flag. It doesn't trigger until Monday if we break that high. So that's what we're going to look for, man. We're going to maintain that bias. It's that simple. How much more can I say? Let's see if we can find any supporting factors here. Yeah, I don't like the 60-minute looks like it's going to pull back, but we could pull back into today's trading range on Monday and then take off. So we'll keep our eye on that. And here's the interesting thing. Um, so the 10-year is moving on up, and it looks pretty strong. Yeah, Monday's going to be interesting to see what transpires because I don't see any reason why that baby's going to slow down. Momentum's good. It's turning around. Um, the histogram's gone green. We're a little bit high, but the 120 looks like it's in a flag. Yeah, this could just be closing the shorts for the week, really, on the SPX. So Monday, we'll catch that trade. We'll see what goes on. We got to figure out where we open and where we're going to go. That daily bar is starting to look indecisive at this point. Look to the top, look to the bottom. So it depends on where it closes. We'll take a look. We'll know more Monday. Check me out at my morning market meeting, and we'll have a better idea of what we're going to do on Monday. Maybe take some trades. I don't think it's going to be a warm day, so I'm sure I'll be sitting in front of the computer. Hopefully, I'll get some trades off and hit you guys up with a tweet here and there. It was a beautiful day today, man, and I just had to be out. So anyway, have a great weekend. Calm, cool, and at peace. And I'll catch you guys Monday.